Okay, so just going to do a little follow-up on my little charging system here. We talked about all this, and what I did is I added these hooks and ran them all underneath my belly band here, and all these little hooks. And then I got this off of Etsy. I'll link that in the comments. And I turned it sideways, which is a little counterintuitive, but it works just fine. And it tucks it in a little nicer that way. So there's my, and see the cord all the way down? So that when it's coiled up, it kind of is bulky, but this is nice and streamlined. So you can see. So yeah, that's it.